There are 24 animals on a farm consisting of chickens and pigs. If the farmer sees a total of 72 legs, how many pigs are in the farm? So we're looking for the number of pigs. So we just need to form two equations in this problem. So given there are 24 animals on a farm consisting of chickens and pig. So let's just use C for chicken and then P for pigs. So the first equation will be the total is 24. So therefore first equation is C plus P equals 24. Okay? And then we have if the farmer sees a total of 72 legs. 72 legs, how many pigs are in the farm? So, C plus P equals 24. That is equation number 1. And then equation number 2, we multiply the number of chickens and the number of pigs by their legs. So, chickens has 2 legs. So, therefore, we have 2C plus pigs has 4 legs. So, we have 4P equals, so the farmer sees a total of 72 legs. So, equals 72. And this will be our equation number 2. And then, how many pigs are in the farm? So we just want to solve the value of P. So for equation number 1, we need to solve for C. So we have C plus P equals 24. So put P to the other side by subtracting P to both sides. So therefore, C is equal to 24 minus P. And then 24 minus P, we will substitute this into equation number 2. Substitute 24 minus P to this C. Okay? So we have 2. Then the value of C is 24 minus P. Just copy the rest. Plus 4P equals 72. Now, we can solve for P. So, distribute first, or we can divide since they are all are divisible by 2. 2, 4P, we have 72. So another solution, we can distribute 2 to 24 and P, and then the other solution is we can divide all. Divide both sides or each term by 2. So we can cancel out 2. 4P will become 2P equals 72 divided by 2. That will be 36. So just copy 24 minus P. Then simplify, combine this. So we have 24, negative P plus 2P, that will be positive P equals 36. So to solve for P, subtract 24 to both sides. So cancel this. P is equal to 36 minus 24. That is equal to 12. So the number of pigs in the farm is 12. The answer is letter B, 12. Follow for more.